Alright, this is a novice level speed check. I will be reading the last sentence in toss-ups from Fort Osage Novice Set number 4. And this is toss-up number 1. Name this peninsular U.S. state nicknamed the Sunshine State with capital at Tallahassee. That would be Florida. Name this South African leader, a symbol of resistance to the apartheid government of South Africa, who was elected president in 1994. That would be Nelson Mandela. Name these types of numbers that include integers and natural numbers, with examples like 3.14 repeating and 7.86. Those would be rational numbers. Name this author who wrote the 1937 work, Their Eyes Were Watching God. That would be Zora Neale Hurston. Just needed Hurston, her last name. Name these entities which are helpful in coagulation but can lead to harmful effects like thrombosis. Those would be blood clots. Name this color, the combination of red and yellow. It would be orange. Name this location, located in both Asia and Europe, with capital at Ankara. That would be Turkey. Name this pillar of Islam that involves travel to a holy city in Saudi Arabia encircling the Kaaba. That would be the Hajj. I could have also accepted pilgrimage to Mecca or equivalents like all able-bodied Muslims must travel to Mecca in their lifetime. This is number 9. Name this president who succeeded Theodore Roosevelt but lost re-election to Woodrow Wilson in 1912. That would be Taft, William Howard Taft. Name this river which travels through northwestern Germany before emptying into the North Sea in the Netherlands. That'd be the Rhine River. Name this Netflix series starring Charlie Cox as Matt Murdock, whose alter ego is a blind vigilante from Hell's Kitchen. That'd be Daredevil. Name this gas used with carbon dioxide to delay food spoilage with atomic number 7 and chemical symbol N. That would be nitrogen. Name this mythological creature whose riddle Oedipus answered correctly, thus allowing him entrance to Thebes. That would be the Sphinx. Name this feverish opium dream composed by Hector Berlioz. That would be Symphonie Fantastique. Name this female first name of the author of Wuthering Heights. That would be Emily, specifically Emily Bronte. Name these ruminants from the genus Ovis aries, males of which are called rams and females of which are called ewes. Those would be sheep. Name this North African nation with capital at Algiers. That'd be Algeria. Name this literary detective who lives at 221B Baker Street in London, whose friend and partner is Dr. Watson, and who was created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. That'd be Sherlock Holmes. Name this region of Earth's atmosphere where radio propagation takes place. That would be ionosphere. Name this Southeast Asian nation with capital at Manila. That That'd be the Philippines. Name this Mississippi-born writer who created Yaknapatawpha County and its various families, such as the McCaslins, and the Sutpens. That'd be William Faulkner. And the final toss-up for this speed check. Name this year when the first fighting of the American Revolution occurred at Lexington, Concord, and Bunker Hill. It would be 1775. Thanks for listening.